Okay, all of you are welcome again. Now to extend our validation coding, we need to first see all two previous videos, video 1 and video 2 of this series. Okay, so if you have not seen these videos, please first see that videos, then after go in a sequence. Okay, so in this video we will see the text entry if user enters any numeric data in a text field. Okay, so in our example, in this field, suppose user enters 1 2 3 4 5 6 anything and submits, it is accepted. But what I want to restrict the user to enter only non-numeric value. So how can we do? For that, again the same way, I have the variable, so I have to simply add the validation. If exclamation is nan x, is nan stands for is not a number, right? And exclamation is a not operator. So here we are adding a validation, that is nan opposite, that is a number. Means if it is a number, then we can give an alert, name cannot be digits. Again same way, I have to focus over here, so I am copying it and pasting over here. File, save. Let us check. Not a number, cannot be empty. Now suppose I am adding a number, you can see name cannot be digits, right? So here I have to compulsorily add a text value only, then only my form will be submitted. Now suppose we want to add a validation in a text field which requires only numeric data, like in a pin code. Here I want to validate a pin code entry, that is it should not be empty. Second thing, it should not be less than 6 digit or greater than 6 digits. And third point, that it should not be alphabets, because pin code number is a number, it is a digit, so we cannot add any alphabet in a pin code. So I want to validate this pin code text field. So let us start. Say here I have validated only the first name. Now I am validating the pin code, so I have to create a new variable over here, variable suppose y, that contain document dot frm dot, what is my control name here? I can see this contact, this is pin code pin. Okay, so here it should be pin dot value. Okay, now after this validation I am adding a new validation. If y double equals to blank or y double equals to null, I can give an alert message, please enter the pin code. Very simple. Again here document dot frm dot pin dot focus, return false. Let us check. File, save, refresh it, submit. Name cannot be empty, I am adding a name over here. Submit, please enter the pin code. You can see. Now suppose I am adding digits, alphabets, submitting, it is submitted. right? So I want to add a validation over here. First we will add a validation of its length. So here I am adding if y dot length is greater than 6 or y dot length is smaller than 6, I can give an alert message. I am directly copying it, Control V. Please enter 6-digit pin code. Okay, closing the bracket, file, save. Let us check again, refresh, submit. Please enter the pin code. Suppose I am adding over here only 4 digit, 1 2 3 4. Please enter 6-digit pin code. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, it is submitted. Now again, suppose I am adding A B C D E F. It is again submitted. So again I have to add a new validation over here, that is we can add only digits. So if is nan y, then I can give a same kind of coding, only digits are allowed. Okay, let us check again, file, save, refresh it, submit. Please enter the pin code. Now suppose ABC, please enter 6-digit pin code. Suppose DEF, only digits are allowed. Okay, so it will not accept alphabets, so I have to write only digits here. So I am writing 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then it is submitted. Okay, so this is how we can add a validation in a text field for numeric value. Okay, so in next video we will see another kind of validation.